Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan, and today, Tuesday, 19 March 2024, my trade setup directions for today will be long on the US dollar, the euro and the pound, and short on the New Zealand, the Swiss and the yen. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. Now the dollar index, I see I've got some data problems this morning. I don't know if that spike is really true down the page. Shortly after the spike, my data froze up yesterday. So I can't say much. But if I look at my short-term indicator up there, I can see that the dollar went from neutral, from the red to neutral to absolute, all the sparkle. So short-term intraday, there's a lot of dollar strength coming in, and if I look at the charts individually, I can also see a lot of dollar strength coming in. So I don't know if this flag is going to play out at this stage. I actually, with all the signs being bearish here, if I look at that and I look at the patterns, I would actually be more bullish than bearish. But alright, I will, as long as it stays below, I'll have to stay bearish in general on the larger time frames. But in intraday, during the day, dollar bullish, and that's it. So I can't say much about what's happening here. I will see once that is fixed. Gold finding a little bit of resistance here. With a strong dollar there yesterday, even it got stronger even as this candle closed. So I never went into the long then. My robot, trend catcher robot, took a short on the breakout here, and I felt on the stage, oh man, why? But okay, it's $5 or so out of the money, not the end of the world. But on that strong dollar, gold should inevitably come back down. So I would love to see gold come back to test the $2,100 levels. I want to take some long positions there, even down as low as 2080. Those are the levels that I'm watching. If I go back to the daily charts there, you see it's those highs. That's the areas that I'm really interested in. I should, that level's there. And this is what I'm after, is to get the swings here. Let's see here, that's the 61% entry there on the retracement. So that's the area I'm really interested in. I know the all-time high is a very strong area, and that's why I keep my eye there. But with a strong dollar, we could see dribbles down $2,100 levels. I would love to get long from there and then try to play it up for roughly, you know, over the next year or two, we could see $2,500 up to $3,000 on gold. And that's what I'm after for the next 22 months or so. And so very interested in this, very interested. Gold has been very sideways for a very long time. Now I am very gold bullish in general, but we'll see what the dollar does, and we're going to need a weak dollar to get gold bullishness. At this stage, I love the strong dollar to come back down to give me at a better level entry. Then the US CAD, lovely flat top triangle, very basic trade this morning. Dollar up there, CAD neutral. I want to be long. We got the break. Yeah, I don't like to trade the pattern straight, but there was nothing wrong with that. A little position, nothing wrong with that. The retest here now in a candle reversal, that'll be definitely a signal for long, for bullishness on this and getting a dollar long. CAD's neutral, but I'm after the dollar here. So something to definitely watch for today. Trend brand new started here, so strong dollar trend is starting. And then Brent oil, this last swing here. Retracement to 61% Fibonacci here at this market structure here. Definitely something I'll get interested in at 85.65. That's the area I'm looking to buy into oil. I want to be long oil, but not from those levels. In the pound Swiss, nice flag pattern, strong break, now retracing. Pound green zone, Swiss red zone. So I want to be long here, but not from up there. I would love to see a retracement. This is not a Fibonacci level for that. It's 50, but there's no structure. I'm trying to create structure with this flag pattern. So there's nothing wrong marking the Fibonacci, but there's no historical structure there. It's just the falling trend line. Now, even if you connect that there, you can see it's a very nice falling trend line. So I guess that would be structure, but the market needs to confirm that before I'll take some longs with a double bottom or a triple bottom or any candle pattern reversal, anything off that area, which is quite strong. That'll show me that there is structure here and that I can take the long. Pound New Zealand, strong run up the page this morning on the pound. New Zealand still very weak. I would love to be short New Zealand. Pound's definitely something I would like to be long in. So I just need a retracement back to this previous high. If you're drawing the Fibonacci from there to there, it's between the 50 and 61% level. I like that. So on a retest and then a strong reversal, I'll then take some longs. In the US Swiss, again, you can see the theme stays dollar, all the sparkle, Swiss red zone, dollar green zone, finding resistance right at that high there. So I would expect a retracement, hopefully for later this afternoon. Nice structure coming in there before a strong break. The retest here would definitely get me interested in some longs on strong reversals. Then the Euro Swiss. Euro had all the sparkle there. It's fighting for the top spot. So yeah, Euro is strong still. Although the dollar is now kicking dust in its eyes, but still very strong. Look at Swiss in the red zones. I still want to be long here. Strong break coming back up there. The retracement back there. That's where I will get interested in doing some long setups. Nice resistance. Even a little support here on the hammer candle there yesterday afternoon. All right, so very nice. So let's hope for the best there. And then the Euro US. Now, not the best of setups there. When I prepared this, the Euro was there, but I like the pattern a lot. So I'm just gonna be cautious. I'll see how it looks by the time it gets up there. You can watch this on the live stream on the Trend Catcher Robot. I got this RS up there for you that you can see it if you're not a member and don't have this indicator. But a retest and a retracement there, if that situation changes on a strong reversal there, I'll definitely still consider shorts. You can see a brand new trend kicking in. So on Euro weakness, but still very strong there. I can't say this will last at all. I'll see by the time it gets up there. And the Euro Australian dollar, strong run on the Euro. Actually, Aussie falling like a rock for that matter. Aussie was up there, now coming down into the neutral zone. I am not after the Aussie, but I'm after the Euro long again. So a retracement of this last directional swing brings me back right to the 61% fib at market structure here. There I will be looking for some powerful bullish reversals. Aussie New Zealand, not absolutely my favorite, but a strong level coming in here. Resistance, support. So this is all over the place, finding creating a strong structure here. But in general, Aussie New Zealand is not my favorite thing to trade. They do follow each other. But if I look at the Aussie there, it's neutral, but I want to be short New Zealand, and that's what I'm after. This is also a way of getting short on the New Zealand. In the Aussie US, Aussie definitely way weaker than the dollar. You can see dollar green zone, Aussie neutral. I'm not after the Aussie, I'm after the dollar here. So on a retracement, this last directional swing right at 61% level, Fibonacci, there's definitely an area that I would like to look for some shorts if I can find it there. If it breaks through, guys, I'll find another level up there, most likely one of those two levels. But for now, this is my focus. I'm going to test my trade idea here, and if it doesn't work, I'll find a higher level as long as the RS stays intact and the slope direction line stays bearish for me. And my favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on the Euro Yen. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me so I can keep making content like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now, if we move to the Euro Yen, you see Euro very strong, Yen at last dropping to the second last spot. Most likely it's going to fight with the New Zealand for the weakest spot of them all. At least I can stop feeling like an idiot now, because I've been very bearish on the Yen while it stays up there so strong, and now it's coming down at last, saving face a little bit. All right, trend just changing here on the Euro Yen from a bear trend. You see how the market recovered, pushing it into a bullish trend. Directional swing up the page, the retracement back to the 50% right at the structure. This is the area I would start to like to go long here. I've got a very nice long on the end of day charts with my mentoring program from down there, which was absolutely, we got the absolute low there. Okay, it's one of those things. But I guess more luck than wisdom. So it's an awesome long for us on the end of day charts. Okay, this thing is moving like crazy. So yeah, but in any case, we're moving in between the 50 and the 61% level on this structure here. With the euro so strong and the yen just weakening, I would love to get a 4-hour long here, getting me into a long setup on a retracement. But I don't want to buy there. I want to buy here on a strong reversal with a tight stop loss, and then I'll work with some targets. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey, and don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.